it is connected now? Yeah. Oh, now I have to admit. I have to put admit, and then now it is admitted, correct? Yeah, I think your 6B3445AD is seen. I think you're on. Now you have to switch on your video or the speaker. Hello, how are you? Excellent. Now only I'm good. I have to record. I will start. Shall I start recording, or would you like to discuss something first and then go for recording?
Sir, one second, sir.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Can you see me,
no,
sir?
your आवाज तो आता नहीं. Your voice is not coming. Your voice.
Sir, now it is
Hello.
okay?
Now speak.
Yes, can you hear me, sir? Hello.
It is not there. Are you able to hear
me?
me?
Can you hear me?
Are you able to
Yes,
hear
sir.
me?
Yes, sir.
Oh, but
Yes,
your
sir.
voice is not coming, na? Your
So it is okay now?
is not heard.
It is okay?
हेलो, अब देखिए,
So can you hear me?
chat. I've given you chat message.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Earlier I was hearing, but
So
now
one
I'm
second, sir.
not hearing.
So can I rejoin the process once again?
No, voice is 1 minute. Oh, 1 minute. Is it that I have put some? Oh, very good. Hold on. I have put now speak. Now speak.
Sir,
Speak.
can you hear me?
Now I can hear. I have
Can you hear me?
Yeah, now I can hear.
Yes, sir.
I have wrongly put the speaker at nil inside that.
Okay, sir. No problem.
Good. Very nice. You look very smart. Let me congratulate you. Congratulate you. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Can you please tell us about yourself? आपका बारे में बताइए. अच्छा.
Sir, I am Aniruddha Sen. I basically.
Mostly, I think you will go for English only, na? You won't like to go for. They will. I think
Yes, sir.
they may permit Hindi, but I think you will talk in English only. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Continue.
Sir, I have no problem in both the languages.
अच्छा, ठीक है. And now you tell in English about yourself. Yeah.
Sir, yes, I am Aniruddha Sen. I basically born and.
Yeah. Hello.
Yes,
hello.
Sir.
Continue. I am just.
Yes, sir. So
yeah. Continue. I am listening to you.
Okay, sir. Sir, I born and brought up in Siuri. It is a town in West Bengal. I did schooling from here and graduated from Siuri Vidyasagar College in mathematics honors in 2019, and then started for several exams as well as banking exam. And now I am appearing for NHB interview, and as well as I cleared the SBI Clerk 2020 exam.
Good. Acha, now, are you going to mention about your being selected in SBI?
No, sir, I don't think I will mention it.
Acha, ठीक है. Then it's okay. Fine. Because you are not employed, there is no problem in it. Right. You said you were preparing for civil services. Did you write some civil services exam?
No, sir.
You have not.
I didn't write.
You didn't write?
No, sir.
Okay. Now only you will be cross-checked. Are you writing some other exams? Automatically,
no,
you will tell only this. Acha?
Only banking, sir.
Only National Housing Bank. Okay.
No.
If you say like that, there are two possibilities. One is they can believe it and proceed again. Then otherwise they can cross-check you by asking, how is it that a young boy like you is not appearing for other exams? Be ready.
Sir, I will tell that I am appearing for banking exams only. not any other type of exam.
Very good. You are appearing for banking exams. That means you have written IBPS and all. Very good. Very good. Excellent.
Yes, sir. Yes,
excellent. You studied a BSc in 2019. What is the marks scored by you?
Yes, sir.
What is the marks scored?
68.25%.
68.25. Good, good, good. Excellent. Now, how did you prepare for your this bank exams? How did you prepare? Is it by joining some institute or by yourself?
No, sir. First of all, I prepared by myself. In the prelim section, I had no problem initially. Then whenever mains come, there is not free materials available for main section. So I joined Unacademy and I subscribed to a mock test of Smart Kida, from where I studied my main section as well.
Good, good. 1 minute. Yeah. Here, this online, website, language, I have to change it. Yeah. So you studied through Unacademy and also what were the
mock test?
Mock test also. Can you tell me about your National Housing Bank test you had? What type of test you had?
So the National Housing Bank test comprises of 4 sections. That was general awareness, English, quant, and reasoning. It was comprised of 200 numbers. And then they had a typing test also, where they asked us to write an essay and a letter.
Oh.
But that was just qualifying in nature. That marks didn't carry in the further process.
The descriptive paper marks are not taken into account.
Yes,
what is the essay you wrote?
So I wrote an essay about inculcating fitness habits since childhood.
Inculcating?
Fitness habit since childhood.
Oh, super. Can you tell me a few points on that?
Yes, sir. I mentioned about how inculcating fitness habits since childhood can mentally help us in growing. It will make us strong, not just physically as well as mentally. I mentioned about Swami Vivekananda, the current Fit India movement, and the Yoga Day, which is basically presented by our current government. So I mentioned each of every topic but that was a small essay consisting of 200 words. So I have to compromise all the things into just 200 words.
Okay. So you were trying to tell about the necessity for your fitness, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes,
good. Sir. Good. Otherwise, basically, what type of a person are you? Do you believe in fitness? Do you exercise? Do you do yogas? Do you perform meditations?
No, sir. I perform some kind of meditation, but not regularly. But I don't go to gym. I just walk in the evening or do some running. I don't go to the gym and weight lift. This kind of fitness is not up to me.
Yeah. That's because
I tried it, but it was not my cup of tea.
Acha. You tried that also. What is your father?
So my father name is Manavendra Sen, and he works in a sweet shop. Actually, he manages the sweet shop.
He manages a sweet shop. Good.
Yes, sir.
And how many siblings do you have?
No, sir. I have no siblings. I am the one.
Is it good to be a single child? How do you rate this? Is it nice to be a single child? Yeah.
Sir, I born and brought up in a joint family kind of setup, so it did not bother me as well. But if it is a single family, if you have not any siblings, I think this will mentally hamper the children's mental process. I think this hampers them as well. But I born and brought up with a lot of my elder sisters, elder brothers. So I had no problem from childhood.
Acha, you had your cousins living along with you.
Yes, sir.
Cousins.
There is currently in our house there is 14 members, but once upon a time there was 18 to 20 members in the house.
Excellent. So what is the advantage of a joint family?
What is the
advantage of joint family?
Sir, it basically motivates you. You can talk to anyone when you are in depression. You can talk to somebody, and it basically teaches you how to help someone, how to how to be in the bad period, how to be in the worst period, how to help someone. It also, and it is my also plus point. I help everybody. If anyone ask me for any help, I would certainly love to do help him.
Acha. What type of help normally can you are you able to render to others?
So I have no problem if anyone in my college days, my friends ask me to taught some topics, friend ask me to teach things. I give them the lessons. I give them the notes. If they are not studying in the, if they are not appearing in the college, if they are not studying in the same tuition, I certainly give them the notes. I have no problem with it. Some people don't give the notes कि ये सर के पास नहीं पढ़ रहे तो नहीं दूंगा. मेरे ऐसा नहीं है, मैं सबको दे देता था.
Very good. That means some people are overcautious, you know. They fear the
Yes,
notebook
sir.
may be lost, so they may not
Yes,
get it
no,
back.
sir, they had a fear psychosis that boy or girl would be the topper, but I had no intention of being top or something. So I had an intention to get first class in my graduation, and I did it.
Excellent, excellent, excellent. Very good. Now, let me ask you. Yeah. Now, what is the reason that prompted you to apply for National Housing Bank?
Sir, as I was preparing for banking, so I applied for all the banking exams for which I was eligible. And I saw that the National Housing Bank exam, I was eligible because at that time I was 21 years of age. So I became eligible. I had a graduation degree. And as you know, National Housing Bank as a supervisory authority, it is a great opportunity to work with the organization. As I am very young, I can cater my growth with the organization.
Good. So could you come to know about National Housing Bank? What did you come to know about National Housing Bank? Supposing somebody asks you, whatever ideas you know about National Housing Bank, uska bare mein bataiye. Yeah.
Yes, so National Housing Bank basically set up in 1988 via the National Housing Bank Act 1987. And the current MD is Mr. Sarada Kumar Hota. The National Housing Bank's primary objective is to promote financial stability in the housing sector market. And it regulates and refinances the housing sector loans. It supervises the housing finance institutions, everything.
But there has been recent changes in the ownership of National Housing Bank. Can you tell me what it is? What is it?
Yes, sir. Before the change, the RBI has 100% ownership in the National Housing Bank. Now, in the year 2019, the government of India bought the 100% ownership from RBI.
Correct. Now, were you able to know what is the total debt capital of National Housing Bank, roughly? Perhaps you might not have seen that. It is there in one annual report. There is an you saw that annual. You saw that annual.
Yes, sir, I saw that. Yes, sir, I saw that, but I am not able to recall it.
8,587.21 crore.
Okay.
8,587.21 crore. As on latest somewhere in 20 data.
Yes, annual report 2019-20.
Yeah, and tier 2 capital is 366.71. There is another tier 2. Then total is 8,953.92. 53.92. That's good. Now, apart from that, there has been a change in the expectation from National Housing Bank recently. What is it? I think you must have seen it in the website. What is the change in the expectation of people from NHB?
So actually, NHB currently promotes the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban. That's the scheme, which is credit linked subsidy schemes. It is promoted by National Housing Bank, where they promotes a bank and financial institution to lend loans to EWS, LIG, MIG groups when they can get interest subvention also. So it is actually basically promoted by National Housing Bank, and they are taking care of it.
So, but the answer for this is slightly different. The answer is recently the monitoring of housing finance companies is been detached from
National
NHB.
Housing Bank.
It
It
is
is
now
given
with
to
the
RBI.
RBI. It is now given to that
Yes, sir.
point you have to say. And then
Okay.
what they are doing presently is, can you tell me about the schemes in which they are taking keen interest? Pradhan
Okay, so
Mantri
Pradhan
Awas
Mantri
Yojana,
Awas Yojana, urban.
urban. What is the next scheme?
What is the next scheme?
Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, urban. That is one
Yes, sir.
scheme. Then
And
second,
rural infrastructure interest subsidy scheme, something like that.
rural housing interest subsidy scheme. Good.
Scheme.
That is also there. Good. So, what do you think will be the expectation from you once you join National Housing Bank? What you may be expected to do, and how will you satisfy the requirements of the bank?
Yes, sir. I would like to work on the supervisory or refinance department of the National Housing Bank, where I can help the problems pertaining to the housing finance institutions, and so that if we solve the problems of housing finance institutions in a better way, then the dream of our government is affordable housing for all by 2022. It will be fulfilled. I think it will be fulfilled, and it is needed by 2022, as it is one of the project of our government. It is a flagship project of our government. So I think I will help in this implementation of the project and helping the problem, solving the problems of housing finance institutions.
Very good. Now, what can you tell me? What is the mission and vision of National Housing Bank?
As I can remember, the mission is to promote financial stability in the housing finance sector.
I think it is coming under our Wikipedia also must be giving you.
Yes, sir.
There are two,
Yes,
three
sir.
ways for knowing it. One is through Wikipedia. It was founded on July 1988. Sarada Kumar Hota. Achha, how many employees are there now in NHB? Any idea?
Sir, currently all over 125 to 127 employees are there. It is a officer-centric organization actually.
But Wikipedia says 450 plus. Please check it up.
Sir, in Koda, there is a current assistant manager of National Housing Bank answered those questions. So where I collected the data.
That is true, but yeah.
Yes, sir, I saw that in Wikipedia is 450 saying.
Yeah, 450 plus. 450 plus. Vision is promoting inclusive expansion with stability in housing finance market. Promoting inclusive expansion with stability in housing finance market. Then mission is to harness and promote the market potentials to serve the housing needs of all segments of the population with the focus on low and moderate income housing. ये word by word आप by heart करना है, because एक थोड़ा change होने से भी आपको problem हो जाएगा. To harness and promote market potentials to serve the housing needs of all segments of population with the focus on low and moderate income housing. Now I will come to an important question. What do you understand by inclusion?
Sir,
under the vision, there is a word inclusion. Inclusion,
yes, sir.
What is the meaning you are attaching to that?
Sir, inclusion, I think inclusion means giving every, if we talk about financial inclusion, then giving any financial services to deprived class with a low cost. With a low cost, so that they can get every financial services at a minimal cost.
Now this question, okay, you told rightly, inclusion, by inclusion we mean try to extend the service of, say, housing requirements of all sections of people at a lower cost. Just as financial inclusion, you rightly told, financial inclusion is trying to extend banking services to people at a cheaper cost or low, at a lesser cost. Okay. Now, can you tell me by what steps government is aiming to give achieve financial inclusion? What are the
Sir,
steps?
government has
Yeah.
the steps mean Jan Dhan Yojana. The Jan Dhan Yojana account is there. Aadhaar based account is there. The direct bank transfer is there. So in these three process, a person has a Jan Dhan Yojana based on the Aadhaar. So government has government has everyone's Aadhaar number. So government can directly transfer the amount to that account, to the account of the beneficiary. So this will improve in the leakaging. So there will be no leakaging of funds. There will be no misuse of funds. Only beneficiary will get the amount in their bank account.
Yeah, here, just a suggestion. By financial inclusion, what are the steps taken by the government? Is number one, by adopting PMJDY, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. And you told nicely. And if you remember, you can tell about the basic savings bank account where the minimum balance requirement is not there. Okay.
And even maximum balance is 50,000.
Yeah, some conditions are there, right? Then, apart from that, for achieving financial inclusion, government has been trying to open bank branches in either two unbanked areas, open, say, regional rural banks, open small banks, and also allow payment banks. So many steps are taken. All these steps are taken with a view to get financial inclusion. And under that, there are some more schemes which you can remember. One is Atal Pension Yojana. You know what is it?
Sir.
What is Atal Pension Yojana?
Sir, Atal Pension Yojana, I think it is for 18 to 40 years of people, where you deposit some certain portion of amount in every month, and after you get to 60 years, there will be a certain portion you will getting as a pension.
Good.
I don't know the exact amount.
थोड़ा पढ़ लीजिए.
It is managed by PFRDA.
थोड़ा पढ़ के मन में रख लीजिएगा. Here क्या बोला है? Atal Pension Yojana. Atal Pension Yojana scheme for citizens of India is focused on the unorganized sector workers. That point is important. Under the APY, guaranteed minimum pension of 1,000, 2,000 per month will be given at the year 60. Age of subscriber, super, 18 to 40. You told correctly. He must have a savings bank account, post office savings. Good, excellent. You told nicely. Excellent.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, some more points are also there. I'm trying to help you out. Like, what are the other schemes? The financial inclusion is achieved by having PMSBY. What is PMSBY?
Sorry, sir, I can't able to recall it.
That Pradhan Mantri some Bima Yojana, whereby by paying 1 minute. PMSBY, Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana.
Yeah.
Policy period 1 year, just a premium of rupees 12 per annum will get coverage of say 2 lakhs. Okay. Are you aware of that? Yeah. Please get to know. No, I'm telling you briefly. I'm not continuing more on this topic. In this topic, financial inclusion ke liye, you have to tell about RRB, etc., PMJDY, APY, PMSBY, PMJJBY. There is one more scheme known as PMJJBY. You must have studied it in banking. Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. Okay.
Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana.
Yeah. And also through spreading financial literacy, by spreading financial literacy, by having bank correspondence and all that. Good. Now you have come to NHB. What makes you think that you are more suitable for this post? Same question will be repeated.
Sir, as I am very young at this, I am.
Yeah. No, don't say very.
I am at a very young age.
No, very young boldness. So you are trying to give a negative mark for you. Instead, I am with full of energy and enthusiasm, which is required for achieving the objectives of the organization. Something like that. You can tell like that. And here, for this question, why did you prefer NHB? What makes you think you are suitable for NHB, and what is in comparison to others, why should be selective? For all these questions, one way or other, you have to tell about your strengths.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now try.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I am a bit more energetic and enthusiastic, which will help me in cater the growth with the organization. As I told you, sir, I am very helpful. I can help anyone. So I will be loving to solve the problems of the housing finance institutions. And I am very energetic. There, in my third year, there was a schedule when I was wake up at 3 a.m. and get up by home at 4 a.m. and return my home at 7 p.m. and then started studying till 2 a.m. or 3 a.m. So it is a 24-hour schedule. I had no problem with that. I had a lot of energy in myself, so I can help in solving problems of housing finance institutions, and I can help in my personal growth also, where with the help of the organization.
Probably you can also add some more points like, I am a quick learner.
Yes, sir.
Are you not a quick learner? Certainly you are a quick learner, because you have done it in 1 year. What others take more than 3 or 4 years to complete, get into banking itself. Very rarely. People like you are only 5% people who can get in within. Last year, did you write exam 2019?
Sir, I gave in 2019 LIC assistant exam, where I cleared the pre but failed in mains. That was my first exam.
Oh,
that was my first exam, and then I write IBPS clerk, where I failed by certain inch in pre, and SBI clerk was my third exam.
Good, excellent. So that way it is nice. Now, yeah, you have to say, I am a quick learner. There is one blog in my, you can note down, yesbank.in. Note kar lijiye. Please note it.
Okay, sir. अब मुझे याद रह जाएगा.
अच्छा, yesbank.in, achievement motivation. I think you must have seen it in my videos. If you go through that, आपको पता हो जाएगा what are the qualities that are required for achieving success in life. For example, quick learner, I told you. And apart from that, I'm just seeing from that, hardworking, taking personal responsibility, having self-confidence, positive attitude, good in time management, being innovative, possessing leadership styles, being a good, understanding the member of a role of a member in a group also, and trying to help others. That's what you said. And always having clearly defined goals whenever I try for success. Could you follow that?
Yes, sir. I follow a lot of things also.
Yeah. I am just giving the message here.
In terms of.
Yeah. So here it is not necessary you have to tell fully about that. उसमें से कुछ point देके आप confidently बताना है. समझ गया? You can do it. And अच्छा, how good are you in time management? How good are you in time management?
Yes, sir. I am very good in time management. I don't waste time.
Elaborate. Explain.
I don't waste time. I wake up at early. Then after some kind of running or walking, I wash myself, and then I take bath in the early hour, and then started with reading newspapers. Then started my schedule with general awareness, then quant reasoning, and now since I am preparing for interview, so personalize myself in personal skills also. Then I take my lunch. Then I have some kind of rest or some kind of leisure moments when I just scroll some YouTube videos or some kind of TV something. Then I started studying also. And in the afternoon section, I go to my house temple. There is a temple in my house where I just sit and prayer for some time. Then study till 9:30, and after 9:30, I take my dinner and go to sleep.
This answer is not correct. Can you amend? Sir. Can you amend this answer? How good are you in time management? Justify that you are good in time management. यहाँ पर क्या बोलना? I don't. If you want, I can tell you now itself. Otherwise, you can give
Yes,
us.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I will tell you. See what time manage. How good are you in time? I am good in time management. One, I always plan my work. It is not one day that you have to tell. Generally, as an individual, I always find out what is the work to be done, and I plan the work in such a way at different timings. Number two, I prioritize. I prioritize. Prioritize का मतलब क्या है?
सर किस काम को पहले करना चाहिए, किस काम को बाद में करना चाहिए?
Correct. I prioritize things so that I get important things done immediately. Okay. And just because I have been planning properly, I take care to see what are the additional helps that is required for getting it done in the proper schedule. So accordingly, I take the assistance of others also wherever needed. Supposing I need some assistance, yeah. Not only that, apart from say, and above all, I do not waste time. I avoid time wasters. By time wasters, we mean talking over cell phone for a long time without any purpose, or talking with a gossip with others, and also say indulging in activities which are not productive in connection with the goals. My goal is to get into a banking organization as an officer, and in order to achieve that, I take steps for getting it done by preparing for the say bank exams and interviews, and I do not waste time. And another aspect of time wasters is that I do not postpone things. Procrastination nahi karega. Procrastinate, I really appreciate you.
Yes.
You don't have a attitude of postponing. The moment you came in contact with me, you are able to continue and get things done. So I avoid procrastination. I do not postpone things. That is a plus point. And I am not indecisive. I am not indecisive. Indecisive ka matlab, should I take this? Should I take that one? Whether ऐसा मपी time waste नहीं करते. Likewise, you can elaborate. But this thing may be
Okay,
a new chapter for you because you might not have attended personality-oriented programs. Maybe that is
yes,
why
sir.
you are not able to know this. Here,
Yes, sir.
for ensuring success, what are the things required? You must also say, I have good communication skills. You are communicating extremely well, no problem. But you need to tell them, I am good in communication. If they want you to tell, how do you think you are good in communication? So I am good in communication because I try to present the points briefly and to the point and at the level of the receiver. जिसको मालूम होना है उनका level में under I come down or go up to his level and try to communicate so that I communicate properly. I do not say I tell only briefly and precisely, and I prepare about what I should speak out. Okay, so you must be good in
Okay.
communication. This points you must cover it in your strengths. Good in communication, good in time management, good in problem solving, good in leadership, hard working. ओके लाइकवाइज हमारा वो ब्लॉग एक साथ पढ़ लीजिए उसमें से जैसे आप समझना है प्रिपेयर करके यू कैन टेल देम दैट्स राइट ओके गुड
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
that's right now next point is um yeah um in the process of your telling you said you appeared for Life Insurance Corporation of India,
Yes,
correct?
sir.
Where is the
Yes, sir.
head office of Life Insurance Corporation of India?
See, it is in Mumbai.
Mumbai. Who is the chairman of LIC?
Sorry, sir, I can't able to recall it.
MS Kumar, na? Have you not heard? MS, because LIC chairman. LIC का chairman, Life Insurance Corporation. MR Kumar.
Okay,
Hello.
sir.
M.R.
Yes,
Kumar,
sir.
M.R. Kumar only. Good. Now,
Okay.
NHB you said, and NHB comes under which ministry?
Sir, Finance Ministry.
Finance. Who is the finance minister? Who is our finance
Sir,
minister?
Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman.
Okay. Who is the state finance minister of
Mrs.
state?
Nirmala Sitharaman.
Minister of state. Minister of state
Sir,
finance.
Mr. Anurag Thakur.
One man
Mr.
comes.
Anurag Thakur.
Yeah, one man comes always along with her whenever they address the meetings. Oh no, that is one important point you must know. Good, good, good. So that's right. Now, you know, you have gone through the website. What is the net profit of National Housing Bank on June 2020? Maybe this may not, you may not remember. You remember what is the
No,
net
sir,
profit?
no, sir, I can't remember.
19,567.35
Okay,
crore,
sir.
lakhs, not crores, lakhs.
Okay, sir.
19,560. You have to be very careful.
I-
In some places they give lakhs, in some places they give crores. So you have to
Crores.
see that way and try to get it done. Okay, very good. Now, next point is 1 minute. What are the important problems that are facing our country now? Why there are a lot of agitations, problems, and all that? What is the main cause of problems going on now?
Sir, recently Central Union Government has passed 3 agriculture bills, and now they become an act because President has signed that bills also. So farmers from Punjab and Haryana are protesting against that bills.
Why they are protesting?
So because in that bills, the central government has made an provision in which farmers can now sell the items to the private players. Till date, they have to sell the items in the APMC mandi, but now they can sell the item to private players also. And one of the act is Essential Commodities Amendment Act, where the central government has amended that there will be no penalized for hoarding of essential commodities. And another act, there the farmers, there the central government has amended that. Central government has stated that the farmers can be in a contract with a private individual. So the farmers has a concern about if private players are not giving the amount which is in below the higher the MSP or in the MSP. So they are thinking that the private players will give him the amount under MSP. So they are asking to legalize the MSP and link with the contract farming with the MSP.
So that is why the agitation is going on. You are right.
Yes.
The present problem is Farm Bill. You are told very well, correctly about that. Good. Now, you have studied BSc.
Yes, sir.
Why did you not try for MSc?
Sir, after completing my graduation, I have genuinely a tilt toward banking, and I started preparing for banking exams as well as every exam. So I gave also written entrance exams of several other institutions, but I didn't able to qualify it.
No, but this negative point don't tell. That I have been writing many other exams. और हमारे बारे में negative point कुछ भी नहीं बताना है. Okay, we should project only a positive picture. At the same time, it should not be as if we are feeling too much proud about ourselves. समझ गया? दोनों, and these two things are very relevant and important. Yeah. Now, see, which is your dream job?
So my dream job is Reserve Bank of India Grade B officer.
Good. Reserve Bank of India. ऐसा मत बोलो ना. When you are appearing for NHB, hello. When you are appearing for NHB, please tell my dream job is this one only. There is nothing wrong in telling a different answer in order to please the listener. समझ गया? हो सकता है आपका मन में IAS भी होना, that may be there in your mind, but उधर IAS बोलने से तो उन लोग का थोड़ा इंटरेस्ट कम हो जाएगा, आपका बारे में कॉन्फिडेंस भी कम हो जाएगा. इसी वजह से you say my desire was to get into a banking company say in the officer cadre, and I'll be happy if I get a National Housing Bank officer job. That is
Okay, sir.
ऐसा बता दीजिए, ठीक है? Good.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, that will be good. Um, how will you deal with an angry customer?
Sir, angry customer. I am very cool-minded, and I can handle them with. I would like to listen to the problems of them, and would like to solve the problems as soon as possible. If I solve their problems, I think their anger become less. So I would try to solve their problems as soon as possible and handle with very cool mindset and handle with care.
Excellent. What are your career goals?
So
Same
my
thing.
career goals. Yes, sir. I would love to join NHB as an assistant manager, and then would like to got promoted up to up to executive director or managing director if I get a chance.
Good. Good, good, good. Excellent. You told nicely. Now, next point is how will you handle pressure?
Sir, how
Pressure.
I am handle pressure. Yes, sir. So basically, in preparation also there were a lot of pressure. So whenever the pressure comes, I just sit inside our temple and just sit in the inside the temple, and it kept me motivated. It kept give me some positive energy, and where I can handle the pressure as well as do the job with a positive energy also.
Good. Who is your role model?
So my role model is APJ Abdul Kalam.
But that is okay, very fine. But instead, it must be somebody who is alive, whom you are watching, and about whom you are knowing much more in detail. Supposing you say even Mahatma Gandhi, okay, people do tell. But instead, आपका कोई relatives और आपका जान पहचान आदमी से कोई आदमी, उनका क्या क्वालिटी आप लेना चाहते हैं, ये ऐसा बोलने से बढ़िया होगा. Try to find.
Okay, sir.
It can be your uncle who is.
Okay, sir. There is a person, my elder cousin.
What is he doing?
My elder cousin.
What is he
doing? He is
in
a state civil service officer. State civil service officer.
Oh, good, good. What qualities would you like to learn from him?
So he is also a very cool-minded guy. He deals with pressure with a very cool way, and he is very hardworking, very studious. He's till date he is also studying.
Likewise.
He is very studious.
Likewise, all the points that were required for strengths, either be repeat karna.
Yes. Yeah.
Good, good, good.
He tries to help. He tries to help every people. Good. And he has a good leadership quality.
Yeah, you are from West Bengal.
Yes, sir.
Tell me some few good points about West Bengal.
Sir, few good points. West Bengal gives. West Bengal is a very sweet place. You know, as Bengali language is a very sweet language, I think, and we love talking. We love everyone here love Rabindra Sangeet. Everyone loves in singing. We are very mad about football. We are very mad about football. There is the Asia's oldest derby, Mohun Bagan versus East Bengal, held here every year. So we are very mad about football. We are very mad about our sports. We are very mad about our culture. We are very mad about our national heroes like Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose.
See, the word mad, instead of mad, use something else. I don't.
Okay, we are very passionate. Sir, passionate.
We are very keen. One time you say keen, another time you say particular, something like that. Different words used. Mad or
can I use passionate?
Yeah. Passionate, super. We Bengalis are fond of football. We Bengalis are we like very much sweets, something like that. You can use different words and tell about that. Okay? So you told role model very nicely, and also this one. Okay, good. Yeah. Now, Will you be? Acha, how many offices of NHB are there? You have any idea?
So NHB have headquarters and there are other 5 offices.
Can you name the regional offices?
Sir, Mumbai, Bengaluru, Chennai, Calcutta, and there is on Lucknow, I think.
Chennai में है?
Chennai, sorry sir, Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Bengaluru, Chennai, Calcutta.
No, चेन्नई में नहीं था मेरा ख्याल से.
चेन्नई में है शायद सर. मैंने देखा था एक बार.
एक मिनट. National Housing. Not that I am disputing you, but
no sir, maybe I am wrong.
No, देखने से तो अच्छा लगता. ठीक है. About us. See, the website they are making in such a way that it makes us difficult for us to read. Acha, government scheme, yeah, deposits, publications. Where are the offices? Is the computer before you? Are you before a computer?
No, sir. I have no computer.
Acha, you are talking through.
No, sir. No, sir.
You are talking through cell phone. Okay. Yeah, 1 minute.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I just a minute. Hold on.
Yes, sir.
It's worth waiting. 1 minute.
Say, you will find it in About Us section.
Pardon? About me, because it's not moving. That is the problem. I am very much there only. About Us, Genesis आता है. Genesis का बारे में board of organization, correct. Organization they are giving. Head office is in which place? Delhi.
New Delhi.
Regional office, Mumbai, Delhi, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Kolkata. There is no Chennai.
Okay, sir.
Excuse me.
And there is one regional office, Ahmedabad, I think.
Regional office is there in Delhi also.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. And you are in Kolkata.
Yes, sir.
कोलकाता में तो आपको असिस्टेंट जनरल मैनेजर ये श्री विक्रम देवा.
Okay, sir.
It is, where is the office, you know? Chittaranjan Avenue.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. CR Avenue. It is Chandni Metros.
They may not ask you because you are not properly from Calcutta. And there is a regional representative office in Ahmedabad.
Yes, sir. In Ahmedabad.
Yeah. Now, another thing is, can you tell me the milestones of NHB? If you have not prepared, doesn't matter. You prepare and you prepare yourself.
No, sir. I have not prepared.
You have prepared it?
I have read it, but I currently able to recall. There are 4 or 5 milestones, but I am currently unable to recall.
थोड़ा prepare कर दीजिए because they may or may not ask on this. फिर भी हम लोग ready होने से बढ़िया होगा. समझ गया? Very good. I think I have been talking to you for nearly half an hour. I'm not sure. You have done extremely well. You have done.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Is it okay if I talk for some more time, or you want me to close?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No problem. No problem.
Can I? I'll be asking tough questions, so you can try to answer them. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now I have not gone into the management interview questions. Uska bare mein. So, what are the qualities required for succeeding as a bank officer?
Sir, first of all, you need to be very time bound. You need to be very. You have a good skill in time management. And
Aniruddha, instead of telling you need to be, you can use the word one has to be.
Okay.
Or I have to be. You can say it as if it is for you. Or one is a better word. You means you are telling the person sitting before you. Thoda carefully. Acha, bataiye.
Yes,
please start again. What are the qualities required? Start.
Yes, sir. Sir, to be a good banker, one has to be very good at time management. he or she doesn't waste any time, and one has to be very helpful, so he can help the problems of customer, so that customer has a good relation with him or her. And one has to be one has to have leadership skills, so he or she can leader the juniors under them, and also has to be a very good relationship with seniors, so that they can work as a team and lead the bank to a very next level.
Good. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Now, you were telling me about some Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana and all that. If you don't
Yes,
know,
sir.
doesn't matter, you prepare about that. There can be question on Pradhan Mantri Awas
Yes.
Yojana. What is the subsidy they are giving? What steps are
Yes.
they NHP is taking to propagate that?
Yes,
वो
sir.
prepare कर दीजिए,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? That's right.
Yes, sir.
Now coming,
NHB is only taking care of credit link subsidy scheme.
okay, good. Now, yeah. What do you understand by motivating others and motivating yourself?
Sir, by motivating myself, I can understand that if I have some problems, I have been through depression or some kind of problems. If I motivate myself, I can do the work as soon as possible. I will not procrastinate the thing. And by motivating others, I can motivate my friends, my family members, and someone, so that he or she cannot procrastinate the things he or she needs to be done immediately.
How
So
will
he or
you
she be very time.
how will you motivate others?
I motivate others by talking. I motivate others by talking. I told them to understand the importance of the work. Don't procrastinate. What is the problems of being a procrastinator? There is a lot of problem being procrastinator. The works are being dumped. So don't be a procrastinator. I told them to work as soon as possible. Get the thing done as soon as possible.
I will talk positively. Tell that positive, that word is also relevant. I will talk positively. How will you motivate yourself?
Yes, sir. I just introspect in myself. I find what is going on my mind. Am I doing the thing right? Am I wasting time? If I found that I am wasting a time, so I will certainly not wasting another minute, and I will start doing the things which needs to be done, so that I cannot procrastinate the things and get the things done as soon as possible.
You can also add, by trying to identify the problem areas in me and eliminate them, and try to increase the strength my of my strengths. You can tell like that.
Okay,
Good.
sir.
You're answering these general questions also very nicely. Good. Which political leader do you like very much?
So I don't have not been into too much politics, so I don't think anyone.
Yeah.
I've
Doesn't
not
matter.
been into too much politics.
Yeah. Which newspaper are you reading? Which newspaper?
Sir, in my town there is no. Yes, sir. In my town there are no regular newspaper is coming. So someday I read Indian Express or someday I read Economic Times, whichever I get.
Yeah.
But I prefer Economic Times over the most. But someday I didn't get it.
Yeah. Can you tell me the news you have read in the last 2-3 days?
Sir, today I read a news about I have been from OBC category, so there was a news in Economic Times about OBC creamy layer bound section. So they are raising the cap of creamy layer from 8 lakh per year to 12 lakh per year, as stated by our Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment, Mr. Thawarchand Gehlot.
अच्छा, 8 lakhs to 12
Yes, sir.
lakhs. पहले तो 7.5 lakhs था ना?
पहले से 6 लाख था, उसके बाद 8 लाख हुआ.
No. Recently it was 7.5 lakhs. Our IBPS website also, ibps.in website also says it is only 7.5. Doesn't matter. Now your new amount is 12 lakhs.
Yes, sir. They are thinking about it, and they have made a proposal, and they will send it to the cabinet for approval.
Very good. So that was a new, that was a news of interest for you. Good.
Yes,
What are
sir.
your
I
hobbies?
read about it today.
What are your hobbies?
Sir, I like to eat and I like to cook.
You're like talking like a small boy. Good, good, good. That's right. First you say cooking.
Yes, sir.
First you say cooking. Yeah. Now, your parents, whom do you like very much?
Sir, both of them. There, I cannot divide between them. I cannot choose between them.
This was a trap I was trying to set for you to find whether you will land yourself into problems. You understood. You told rightly. You have to say both. Good. And supposing the interviewer wants to tease you, he can then also go and say, no, no, you have to select one. Tell. Then you can't avoid it. You may have to select one and tell. Doesn't understand that way.
Yes, sir.
Good. So this sort of at random questions will come.
Yes,
At
sir.
that day's newspaper, पहले का दिन का newspaper सब ready करके मन में रख लीजिए so that you can talk very well. You generally have a good. As a boy, which game were you interested in? Football?
Yes, sir. I was
Ah,
interested in football.
only football. Good. You are a
Yes, sir.
man from West Bengal. It is wrong if I don't ask about what do you know about Swami Vivekananda?
Yes, sir. Swami Vivekananda is a very. I don't actually remember his birth year or death year, but Swami Vivekananda, his real name is Narendranath Datta. He born in the Hooghly district,
12th
and then
January.
after
12th January is his birth.
yes, sir, 12th January, but I don't know the birth year.
Year is not required.
I don't.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. So then, after some times, he was a very naughty at childhood, but after some times, when he gave up, came up in his adulthood, he made a contact with Ramakrishna Dev, where he found the meaning of his life, and he became a monk. And then after them, he started preaching Hinduism to all over the world. He also traveled to the world many times and gave a extempo in the Chicago Dharma Sammelan, where he preached about Hinduism in the larger world by introducing to the sisters and brothers of my America by introducing these lines. And
Correct.
after that, he came to India, found Belur Math Ramakrishna Mission for the memory of his Gurudev Ramakrishna Dev. And after, at a very young age, about 40 or 42 years, he passed away.
Is it that he said brothers and sisters of America, or are you sure? I'm not.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Brothers
Correct.
and sisters of America.
Achha.
My brothers and sisters of America.
Excellent. That's very good. Tell me something about Rabindranath Tagore.
Yes, sir. Rabindranath Tagore, born in 7th May 1861. That is Pochise Boishak. So we Bengali celebrate Pochise Boishak as Rabindra Jayanti in Jurasago Thakur family. It is in Calcutta, and his early childhood spent in his house only. Then he was
I think he was
the education
he was born in a rich family, I think.
Yes, yes, sir. He was born in a rich family, in a Jamindar family, and his early childhood spent in his house only. He took his education from house, and after sometimes he wrote his first poem in 1881, I think 1881.
No, where you are not sure, you don't have to mention that. Tell the famous poems or books written by him are this. He was awarded Nobel Prize in the years also for this.
Yes, he was awarded Nobel Prize in 1913 for the English version of Gitanjali, that is the Songs of Offering, and in 1915 he was awarded the knighthood by Queen Victoria Queen. But in the year 1919 he returned the award in the protest of Jallianwala Bagh massacre, and in the year 1941 at the 7th August, that is 22 Shravan, he passed away.
Oh, good. Excellent. Aniruddha Sen. You are answering very well. When is your interview? Which date?
Sir, in 6th January.
6th January. In which place?
Sir, in Kolkata.
Oh, good, good, good. So you are doing very well. You prepare yourself about NHB, then schemes, etc. Or detail. Then what is given in the website, thoda you rewrite it in a brief way so that
Yes,
you
sir.
can tell about it. And next, about banking, I have purposely not gone into banking because I am not sure how far you are good in that. इसलिए हम उसका पास में नहीं गया. Can I try that?
Yes,
Can
sir,
I?
I have no problem.
Achha?
I have read.
What is
things.
mortgage?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
What is mortgage?
Yes,
What is mortgage?
sir, mortgage it is a security by which you can avail loans. So banks take mortgages and they may give you loan.
There one important point you omitted, na? Bank take mortgage of immovable properties.
Okay.
House prop. That's the important point. What is hypothecation?
Okay, sir.
What is hypothecation?
Sir, it is connected to the loan thing, but I can't able to recall.
Hypothecation is giving in charge of a movable asset like a car, auto rickshaw, or something in the shop as a security for the loans availed from the banks. And where the goods are kept under the custody of banks under lock and key, that is known as pledge. See, when you take a loan against gold loan, it is known as jewel loan. You are pledging the jewel. Whereas when you are taking a loan for purchase of scooter or say car, it is hypothecation. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay.
What is power of attorney?
The power of attorney is I am giving power of attorney to someone, then he can access all the services which I can access, and bank does not need to. I don't need to sign anything. He can take all the available services on behalf of me.
He can sign. You can even say
Yes,
power
sir.
of attorney is given to by A to B, so that B can do all the functions of A. A need not sign, B can do it. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Very good. You are telling very nicely. Who is your favorite hero?
Sir, my favorite hero is Nawazuddin Siddiqui.
Acha, is a Bengali actor?
No, sir, it's a Hindi film actor.
Hindi. Acha, what is the good movie that he has acted you like?
Sir, he has acted in a web series called Sacred Games. Not a movie, it is a web series.
Web series called?
Sacred Games.
Oh,
Sacred Games.
Oh, I have not seen that. Good, good, good. Very good. Acha, now tell me about social media. Are they useful for us or not useful for us?
So everything has a plus point and a negative point. We have to use it for our benefit. So social media is also beneficial for some kind of things, like if I lost something, I can have input in Facebook, and then the things can be with us. Or if there are many friends of us who we have not contacted yet, but we are in touch with Facebook or WhatsApp. But they can be misused. They can be misused also. So in Facebook, a lot of people just waste their time. They didn't study, they didn't want to do the things. They're just scrolling down in the Facebook and procrastinate the things, which is I think it's a very bad thing, and it impacts not just mentally as well as physically also. And a lot of into the social media will hamper your, I think, your eyes, your health also.
Correct. Good. You are answering everything correctly. No problem. Now, some few questions. Tuck. Who is the governor of RBI?
So, Mr. Shaktikanta Das.
How many deputy governors in RBI are there?
Sir, 4.
Correct. Can you name one or two?
Sir, one of the deputy governor is Mr. Michael Patra.
Good. Who is the chairman of DICGC?
I don't know, sir.
BP Kanungo. He is a Reserve Bank Deputy Governor. He is a chairman
Okay,
of DICGC. Up to what extent DICGC guarantees deposits?
Sir, 5 lakh.
Okay. Where is the headquarters of Indian Bank?
I think in Hyderabad.
Chennai.
Chennai. Okay.
That's in Chennai. Okay. Where is the headquarters of Union Bank of India?
So Mumbai.
Correct. Where is the headquarters of Canara Bank?
Bangalore.
Which bank was merged with Canara Bank?
Oriental Bank of Commerce.
No.
Sorry, sir. No. Oriental Bank of Commerce तो पंजाब नेशनल बैंक के साथ
Syndicate Bank. Syndicate Bank. Indian Bank took over which bank?
Allahabad Bank.
Allahabad Bank. Good. Who is the Speaker of Lok Sabha?
So Mr. Om Birla.
Who is the Vice President of our country?
So Mr. Venkaiah Naidu.
Who is the first President of India?
Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
Who was the first Prime Minister of our country?
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
Who was the first Prime Minister who was murdered by shooting?
Mr. Lal Bahadur Shastri.
No.
Mrs. Indira Gandhi.
Correct.
Mrs. Indira Gandhi.
Okay.
Yes, Lal Bahadur Shastri died in Tashkent.
Yeah. In which year did Rajiv Gandhi was murdered?
1984.
1991.
1984.
84 Indira Gandhi.
Indira Gandhi.
91 Sorry, is this gentleman. Okay. Who is the governor of West Bengal?
Mr. Jagdeep Dhankar.
Very good. Who is the chief minister of West Bengal?
Mamata Banerjee.
Who is the finance minister of West Bengal?
Amit Mitra.
Very
Mr.
good.
Amit Mitra.
What is a self-help group?
So self-help groups are a group of people where they can form in a group and they pull up some money. They can do some work activities. They can do some things that is called self-help groups.
They save money. They open the account. They borrow from the bank. They distribute the money among the members. Members use it for business, and then they return to group. Group in turn returns to bank. The experience of banks in this regard has been extremely good. So very nice. I am extremely happy. I'm extremely happy about your good performance. 1 or 2 points where you could not answer, it's okay, it doesn't matter. But always remember, marks will depend not on 1 or 2 questions mistakes, but depends totally on the confidence, clarity with which you are communicating. That way, I appreciate you. And in fact, among the, I have so far interviewed more than thousands of people over line, over phone or so, thousands. And you are the first boy who has taken a keen interest, even in respect of dressing before this. That way, credit goes to Aniruddha. Best wishes.
Thank you, sir.
Do you have any questions, any doubts?
Sir, how was my communicating skills actually? I want to know.
Absolutely no problem. Good only, because Bengalis have so much of accent that is also not there in your case. Accent problem.
Thank you, sir.
That you are telling very nicely. Absolutely no problem. And
thank you, sir.
Yeah. Next, any other questions? I have not asked current affair questions. I have not asked.
No, sir.
Because maybe that much may not be required. That much may not be required. Yeah. Anything else?
Okay. No, sir.
No. Good. Best wishes. My rating for you is 9.5 to 10 out of 10. Minimum 9.5 to 10. It depends.
Sir, one question.
Yeah, I have a video where a girl has scored 30 out of 30. I will share that link with you. Please listen.
Okay, sir.
That girl was speaking only in Hindi, but फिर भी अच्छा किया. So you listen to
Okay,
that.
sir.
And she is also
Sir,
BSc. Yeah.
Sir, I have one question. If I won't be able to answer 2 or 3 questions, would it hamper my interview process?
No, certainly not, because it depends. NHB, how long they are going to take for interview, I don't know. In respect of other
Sir,
companies,
they are taking for 15 or 20 minutes, as I
ah,
know, because
started.
there was a guy.
Yeah.
And there will be 8 to 9 member in the panel.
Oh, Baba. When is it starting? Which date it is starting?
So it is on 4th January. Started
Okay.
in 4th January and it will end it 9th January.
Yeah. 20 minutes means like FCI. But even in that case, sometimes they don't, some people, they take only 5 to, if the person is not answering properly, they finish it off within 7 or 8 minutes and send him. But it is not the length of time that is important. There is a boy from your own Kolkata. That boy was interviewed for 30 minutes last time. 30 minutes. And he was given only 8 marks out of 20. That cost him, he was not able to get into IBPS PO. So it depends on the impression you are creating in the minds of the interviewers. So that way, when you go like this, you will give a very good impression, and I'm sure you will get excellent marks. Yeah.
Thank you,
But
sir.
why your eyes are showing lot of some anxiety? आपका मन में कुछ doubt है और
नहीं sir, कोई doubt नहीं.
नहीं, right? No
नहीं.
doubts, no questions.
No sir, no question.
Thank you so much, and thank you for
Thank you, sir.
best wishes. Thanks. I have
Thank you,
received
sir.
your remittance also. Thank you so much.
Sir, if I want to give another interview, I would like to talk you.
Yeah, you contact me, then we will discuss. No problem.
Okay.
But
Okay, sir.
this,
Okay.
I have talked to you for 1 hour. Maybe this is the longest interview I have had.
Okay.
I have done interview for 4 hours together for 16 people, 17 people. There are my videos.
Okay.
2019,
Okay.
my videos, minimum 4 hours length is there. 4 hours time. But this is the video, one person answering for more than 1 hour. If you really want, once again, you ask me, no problem.
Yes,
But
sir, because
I am of the view
this is
that there is not much of a need, except you need to brush up some banking,
yes, sir.
some sort of, for example, you are not able to tell me about PMSBY, PMJJBY, which are regular questions.
Hypothecation.
Yeah, which are regular questions. Hypothecation at least is different, but these are all regular questions, even for clerical general awareness. Okay.
Okay.
थोड़ा बैंकिंग अवेयरनेस का थोड़ा रिवाइज कर लीजिए. Do you have Bankers Adda ka interview book is there with you?
No, sir.
Otherwise, in the links I have provided, I think I gave you certain links.
Yes.
उस links का अंदर में questions भी होगा and material, Bankers Adda interview material होगा, उसको पढ़ लीजिए. ठीक है? If you want,
ये तो मेरा पहला इंटरव्यू था, इसलिए थोड़ा नर्वस हूँ.
अच्छा, first interview.
This is my first interview.
Excellent. You are really doing exceedingly well, and I am sure you will succeed. Depends on the marks you have scored in the written test. Is it out of 80-20 or what is the proportion? 80-20?
Yes, sir. 80-20.
How many marks are you expecting in the written test?
Sir, I attempted 187 out of 200.
187?
Yes, sir.
187. Oh God, ये कैसे होगा जी?
Yes, sir.
ये कैसे होगा? अभी इस बार IBPS PO में कितना आंसर किया आपने?
87 out of 100.
Oh Baba, something great. Some of my boys are not able to answer even somewhere around 60, 50 and all that. Achha. Did you write IBPS clerk?
Yes, sir.
How many questions did you write?
So 92.
92 only? Why?
Yes, sir. Sir, 92 because that time I was not preparing for IBPS clerk. I have result for NHB and I was so sure that I will clear SBI clerk. So I was not preparing. I was not giving mocks for IBPS.
92 is very less.
Preparing for.
There are candidates who have written 110, 112 and all that out of 200.
No, sir, IBPS clerk.
190
in the mains.
Sir.
I am talking.
You're talking about.
I am talking about pre, sir. This year, IBPS clerk. Yes, sir.
IBPS,
92 out of 100.
Acha, IBPS main is not over yet. Acha, SBI.
You are talking about SBI.
SBI
so
clerk.
121. 121. 121.
Oh, superb. Good. Best wishes. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
You're doing exceedingly well. There is, in my view, there is no need for, once again, if you need, you just contact me. We can finalize. Thank you.
Sir. Okay,
Best
sir.
wishes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for having a conversation with me.
You will succeed. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.